All right, pretty short one today. It is Sunday where I am, and we just had a nice adventure looking at the tomb of the bearded lord Tamenobu, who I almost named my daughter after. Probably dodged the bullet on that one. Uh, dinner's coming soon, and while the family's all getting ready, as we'll get in just a little bit more, um, I ended up connecting my computer to the house wireless, and I've got this global Wi-Fi thing that I've been taking around in my pocket so that my phone has Wi-Fi. I've been using it for my phone and my computer, but I'd almost forgotten that I had this VPN set up, and my phone like was working. Um, so I started using Rook for my phone, which after all is what it's meant for. It was kind of fun. So I'm gonna start looking at some of the things that came out of that right now. Let's do that. All right, I told it to create something in the ignored directory. It says it's working. Can you give me links to all of these issues in the recent small issues review? And don't just link to the number, but link to the, like, use a nice text link that is the title. Some kind of bug there. I told it to create a comment for each of these after it reviewed it. I'm probably close to working on the location stuff again in the iPhone app. I've gotten a big chunk of work done with the environment repositories, so that's a little bit more solid than it was. I'm curious how good the data is in Japan. Would you be interested to help me find out? Geolocation data. Maybe it's time to start actually adding some intel to Rook's skills now since I have a place I can store them. For example, I am in OBS right now, so I should be able to do... but yeah, there's... Crap, I forget where I was with all these open, yeah, I wanted to do this too, dang it. Hmm. Done that one. Mm, done that one. Did that one, it helped a lot. I'm gonna ignore myself there. I think one of the recent issues had to do with being able to rename and move around these sessions in the session window. Um, do you have that? Mm-hmm. I'd like to make a new issue around this one. Basically, I've spent a lot of time building a database for environment skills, and it's still useful, but I think it's more useful for like the global skills or something that's accessible remotely, canonical skills and agents.md and stuff like that. But I'm thinking about replacing the local database with just a bunch of files and stuff inside of. So in this case, we would still have a global workspace, but it doesn't have to be manifested from the data in the database. Instead, the global workspace is just inside, and we still have the agent workspace that links back to the appropriate files and stuff from the local workspace. Can you make that for me? Is there any questions you need to ask? It doesn't have to be perfectly well defined right now. Someplace recently we talked about renaming the sessions. Crap, forgot that always deletes that. Actually, did we talk about it somewhere here? Oh no. Now why did that rearrange everything? File another bug for whenever the Rook server shuts down and then wakes back up, the sessions currently drop all joined environments. They need to remember the environment that they were in and still be in that environment when they wake back up. Just make a new issue for that. Oh, good. Thanks for doing that. How much did we talk about renaming, deleting, and moving sessions in the past? I think I want to target them as a chunk. Yeah, okay, we basically didn't. What are the Rook skills for coming up with ideas and brainstorming and stuff? That's the one. That's the one. All right. Here's a new thing I want to brainstorm about. I want in the session window, there is, I wish I could rename the sessions after they're already created. I wish I could move them by dragging them, and I wish that I could delete the sessions. But I don't know a good way of doing UI UX. I think we had discussed this already, so there might already be something in the changes directory. Take a look, see, and tell me what you find. As far as moving the database, let's just start with something simple right now. where we move the production database from the .var directory inside this repo. And instead stick it into Rook home. Is that at least a simpler pursuit? Is that something that we're ready to outline the to-dos on? Oh, all right. Well, let's brainstorm it. Remember we've got. All right. Well, let's brainstorm it. Remember we've got the Mac app, but also iPhone app and Android app. And I don't know if we want to busy the little cards and give them too much to do by making them editable on the iPhone app. So maybe that needs an overlay or something. While the Mac app, I don't know. How do we make it draggable and editable and deletable? Maybe iPhone app needs a swipe left, swipe right. I don't know. What do you think? I'm pretty bad at UX and UI. All right, go ahead and make that to do. And when it's done, open it for me. Can you open it for me in Z? There we go. All right, this looks great. Go ahead and start this in a work tree. Keep me posted. Use say.
The work tree is ready.
I do want the reordering everywhere. And here's the general way that things shall work. We'll combine something like recency and reordering in this way. Whenever a new session is created, it will automatically go to the top. But also, if I ever move anything, yeah, I guess let me think. Okay, well then here's what we'll do. Rename everywhere, delete everywhere, and instead of reorder, let's make it so that new sessions automatically appear at the top, but also whenever I enter a session, it also moves to the top. So most recently viewed, not even necessarily talked to, but most recently viewed sessions go to the top. We'll avoid the pinned list for right now. Go ahead and create the to-do list. I think we're probably ready. You can continue to ask me questions if there's something big. Read the outlining work and look at how I wrap up all of the folders inside changes whenever we're done with them. I've got some sort of document that I create for each one. I want you to go back to all the directories inside changes that don't currently have a work tree directory. And I want you to put that finalizing document in there and just say, these were finalized in the past. Um, and you don't have to really say anything specific about them because I only started doing this finalization thingy recently. All right, go ahead, get started. All right, can you open the Rook server and Mac client? I got a pretty young wife. Mhm. session selection window when you open that new Rook looks like this. But these, I've already, that does make sense. Hmm. Okay, this is pretty close. I found an extra thing I want you to do though. Um, hmm. Where is the code that is copying over the Rook home into the new Rook home? Can we make it copy over everything except for the application database? Or maybe once we complete the copy, delete the application database in the new Rook home. Definitely not in the old one. This way, all of the sessions will be removed when I open the new Rook experiment.
New work trees start without sessions.
All right, reopen it. This has all the sessions, which are the same as the actual Rook, even though this one is called. Come in.
Hello.
You die yet? You die yet? Oh crap! How's everyone doing downstairs?
It's actually really quiet down there.
Yeah.
That makes me happy. I just thought you were lonely.
No, I'm not lonely. I like being alone. Sometimes.
You sound like Eli.
No, I like that. I'm having fun working on stuff. My pet project. It will make me a bazillionaire one day.
You
And help
streaming?
the world. That green dot usually means I'm streaming. Although if I put it in my phone, that green dot goes away and my phone just secretly tapes me. It's pretty terrifying.
Yeah.
I need like a big fat on the air button.
You do. It's like a little sticky note, just like right there. On me.
No, I need like a glow in the dark sign above my computer that says on there.
Oh,
Wouldn't that be cool?
that would be. Would be really funny. Is it okay if I play Scribble Knots? Like quietly?
I guess. My phone's over there. It needs to stay charged, plugged in so it can charge.
Okay, I won't bother you.
Okay. I guess. Go for it. Welcome to vacation.
I finished my math stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is your multiplication getting better?
It is getting better.
7 times 4.
28.
8 times 3.
24.
2 times 4.
8.
9 times 7.
63.
6 times 3.
18.
1 times 8.
8.
5 times 6.
30.
3 times 0. 9 times 9.
81.
8 times 1.
8.
7 times 7.
49.
4 times 9.
What?
4 times 9.
Oh, 36.
3 times 6.
18.
8 times 1.
8.
See a pattern?
No.
It's 8. It ends up being 8 every single time, except for 30. Why was that one different?
I don't know, because it ended in 0.
9 times 5.
45.
4 times 5.
20.
Oh, that one changed too. That one's 2. Um,
No, it's 0.
6 times 7.
42.
4 times 2.
8.
Yep. Interesting.
I like what you're doing. That's interesting.
Work tree isolation is fixed.
From now, just go ahead and restart the server and Mac app or whatever you need to restart to show me. Create skill and instructions in both of the environments that I'm involved in right now. Oh, Nana, どうしてください.
Session management is ready for review.
Coming.
Hey, Boo.
Oh, scribble knots. I'm using my time. You can watch me, but you can't.
My kids are playing Scribble Knots.
Don't
Why hasn't someone in the age of AI made the world's most awesome freaking Scribble Knots ever? Why not?
AI made it?
No, AI needs to make it. Like, Scribble Knots the way it's made right now is just
AI is making up stuff?
no. That Scribble Knots is I don't know, 10 years old for sure. Wouldn't it be cool now since we have AI that you could literally totally make anything and its interactions with everything else on the screen would be absolutely whatever they are.
And you can make items that AI makes up too.
You just do whatever you want to.
Yeah, there's actually a game where you can like add these items together to get more items that you can add together, and they use AI to make up stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah. By the way, can I have a popsicle?
No, for sure not right now.
Okay.
We're gonna have dinner soon.
Okay.
Are they eating already?
No.
No. I hear something clinking. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. Can you make a PR and then merge it? That's so cool. It does a good job of reading the skills that I want it to. Go ahead and selectively commit all of the things that you were working on with outcomes. Yeah, boo. Okay. Where's Kiko-chan?
Downstairs. Yeah, she is downstairs. She's eating choo choo.
It's a choo-choo. Hey, I asked twice. Don't do that no more. Okay. Go ahead and open the server, the Mac client, and the iPhone client for me. I want to use my phone.
What?
Well, I've got to use it for work. Sorry. Let's see.
Please.
Yep.
Lose. Scribble. you just you can push it. And if you can't push it, it's like you literally cannot lose your book.
No, sorry, I meant to start the server, the Mac, and the iPhone apps.
It's just candy and a half. Or you're just saying snacks it. Really pretty outside.
What's really pretty?
The sky. It's gray.
I've seen a lot prettier sky. That everything's pretty. Everything is beautiful in its own way.
Trash. So true. Terrible trash.
What's up?
Hmm?
Where are you reading something about?
Is Satan beautiful?
Oh, hmm,
Maybe in his own terrible way.
what's Lucifer? His name was Bringer of the Light.
I know.
He was he was beautiful.
Wasn't he like the most beautiful angel of them all?
Something like that.
Yeah. He was like quite literally the prettiest one. They wanted to trick everyone to believe that he was God. He just, no, that trick. He wanted to be God. Yes.
We gotta teach a class on that.
That's not.
Hey,
You went.
you're back.
You went. No, I didn't.
You still not doing it right. It sounded just like yesterday. You missed the first one. There you go.
You guys have long ears. I've been knocking. And you have wrong. Wait. You have wrong and you have wrong memory. Oh. Slept so. If you're gonna do that, you might want to ask Papa to help you. I didn't eat it. Papa to help you. But probably after dinner. Okay. Papa's streaming. Ooh, please.
Oh,
Hey.
thank you, Meg. My stream has suddenly skyrocketed in popularity.
You welcome. How you guys doing?
Good.
Good.
I just came up here and started streaming since I knew I didn't have much time.
Yeah. My dad started his dinner.
Oh, he's already started?
Yeah, by himself. he's enjoying. I'm gonna join him.
Cool. We just come down there anytime but soon?
But
Okay. Alright.
what are they doing? Huh? What are you doing, like, with it?
Ask more specific. Like, what am I working on right now?
Why do you need the phone? Right.
Because the phone app. Something's weird. It's not gonna work. I will play with it, I guess. We gotta go downstairs anyways. Okay, all that works really well. So, I want you to just go ahead and wrap this up, all of the rest of the procedure. The rest of the procedure should put another file there.
Wrapped up the database move.
Okay, that's that one. All right, good enough then. Okay, how much time do we clock in? A little over an hour. Pretty solid. Got another couple little things done, which is all expected to do today. Yeah, it's a good day. Solid day.